The VCSC and Vigo would like to invite you to the open house of our new Vigo Elementary. On Wednesday, July 17th from 5 to 7 p.m., come celebrate with us as we open the doors on this newly renovated school. We can't wait for you to see all the exciting improvements that our students will be enjoying for decades to come. New classrooms, hallways, a new cafeteria and gym, new restrooms and elevators have all been improved and updated to better serve our students, parents, and our staff. Ribbon cutting begins at 5 p.m., followed by self-guided tours beginning right after. Light refreshments will be served. Don't miss this opportunity to see the new Vigo Elementary on Wednesday, July 17th from 5 to 7 p.m.